ne no ye kamfo etimi e de ama se uyobi a ota transiche pa and anso ama to asinti no etwetwetwo ne ama nhyara enkoyi entimi emfa ma de a odia ne so beba ba be ramo e wo 21st kene komaso izanse siatika ho komode onya bodin na pe edin bank ofo nu no 21st kene ni nyina ze dwuma di omudi ene ne ama omudi ram no ya de a edanso ne ya bo ama nkofo bebre nyo ma ya isa ne ama edida ye kama so no etimi ere ma ntunso oye den ma na boto na romo masoe na hwe na hihye no endeda yie pa entimi emfama mu nkomo no ya de a ede papa ni nyina ne so okọ a ye hwe ne ya bomode adoso na bibia how no woni nyina ne ya boa na ye timi aso ano na se nete enye no nko hypertension stroke diabetes no ye bre ne aso ano de amomo e wo laboratory akọ a ye be doso ahu bibia ye ne hye na ya hwe na ya bomode etimi etu ase ede ama na so no we gia wo na so na hihye na koyie pa ede amomo bomode scan services no omoye makase Friday bia oro pon a de hia no so obeto afa omaso ye ho na okọ mo hihye mu no ene se den komotisi na esi etie no ye massage wa machine treatment no ebe count ye boss a odu fi a oto ho na oda djuma paniti 15 branches Ghana bibia omo ye djuma Kumase omo ehwa overseas junction omo ebe na free de obo ase cancel cortes call junction be omo akra da omo be omo sunyane ena nkranza na tichima bibia unyo omo form number no ne omo ni nkomo 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 niambo na gina na so na ne man koyi pe fama drinks no eye mienu pe eno na aba beru mo Ghana okobebi ankofo age aboso a ye bobo bobo eboa ema mu jom na so ma hyehyere koyie pa etimi ede ema na mu nkomo no ede ba ko ni mixer 5G yere habamba eni nuaba na aka bom abomoden etimi aye unye bi na abo a onze mo anwoden sonko adwuma de bi a wudi bia no wudi ne from anema ehye kama pa etimi ede ma na emu no ena cafe bia nim na aba be ma ha bia ya bomode ne Ghana omti adwen no ade behwe na abomoden enya no grapes ne bomode ye niema no mani ye juma na jensen no eyi ntini ma moja no edi efusane mani ejien na so mani ma deda ye pa etimi ede ma ye no so krechi no omo na de mizo fruit drinks na ba na no so emu ede emu apintu ba uzampa wabade pa etimi edi egu oboso na emu nkomo no nyese da ho hyehye no esi etie no ene eye na aba bedi to na aba de dodo na aba be hye no pacho wajiwe no ede akọ save omo na aboa na niam bia no akoyi kama pretimi era mo bedwama so a abusu se champana opedodo na fa number ina nkomodide bia eni mpemfo ndi 0246 270221 0246 270221 0558 106348 0558 106348 na hyehyɛ no enko yeso no entimi emfa ema kama pa na mom no metonsa etimi edi afroze ne aponi wie pe ya nro ya me baba beboso no ko na kokko jibi na bonse beboa ama we jan na so me pacho Dawood Eba Hospital Limited ni Dr. Dawood Sebra na abra be ruamo na so ye na ejuma obono ya de ano edempa se ne sitie e no de Dawood Eba Mr. se me fever na edunya owo ano wanu ma to obere na wabwa etimi aso ano de ama na so no wegia wona so na bibia akoyi kama pretimi e de ama ntu de won zemre yo na bama na waye quick na wabomode na Dawood Eba Mr. no wakwa akojibinya no nko o de Dawood 360 capsules no ababa be ramusisi na yo ya na afa edu bebia won so ntini mo twetwon pa asasa bro e wo so na ahotutu a onya Dawood 360 capsules na ebeboara wegia na so na obro no na waji Dawood ointment ni bi etimi aka ho waposo yo ya oda no ko entwa uyesi enye ojibi na de fa wabun se beboa na we giana so na ne makoye petimi edi ama prefo entimi enum bi akwada onye numfie dumiensan so no entimi enum bi ruwari chemo eba shops bi a pharmacy over the counters a onkono abusu se champana ramuni mboa mane amande da yepa entimi emfa ema na ne no opedodo atua me pacho Dawood Eba Hospital mo number ni 0241 24401 to 0241 24401 to 0201 681 717 0201 681 717 pacho oko na ne kan yo den a also opesehwi edru no na ebu adwumanti no ensamrane ebo mode de bo na ne matimu etimi da ma no tetem so membo bobonsen mu entimi emfa ma de a Steven Tornado apia eye former captain of the Black Stars of Ghana na no de a ayekobia koso boda ma akofo nye kese ere aba Ghana no na obomode ani totuende da dia oni Wembley Sports Complex in P4 eka bomu kokoro mo miamia onye kese ko so no mo kokodu ono ne nsem no se no de tuja.
I don't even know what to say. I'm shocked with what I've seen this afternoon. I'm even getting emotional because asking myself if I'm in the same situation with my family. I mean, we have been seeing pictures, we have been watching television. Being here is a different thing. The feeling is different. I'm so sad, so sad this afternoon.
Etia no ye command opo modere tu jomo kono man kono sapa obo modere niam awdo na eko kokodan mo so monje bi ode aba no e ade ano ediani na mo no emo ama hihye ne da yiso no entimi emfa emo mo na mo ma me bed power Ghana Premier League no the 7 no na ye ndidi unkomo ne resere niam esi eti sanse matches awdo na ene jipene na etimi eramu na aboa na niam adeda di na yambo a ochena na ye bia no se netie bofo akwata no e transfer no mo ne Accra Lions Kono edi abweni referee friend Eric Sefa Antwi ene beba ba bejamu Saturday match sebekum no bibieri Go Stars omo airbo hat for Boboko no and also paying prayer friend Maxwell Owusu ene appointed sombra emma mejamu bejumambwa mane mandeda ye pen famo match no mebana maba bididi onkomo ara match sa eberum no Saturday no Great Olympics omo airbo Nations FC Adari Abdul Latif ne referee obeko akwaku jam na Sunday game sebeko so no Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko 3 p.m. no Omori Bechem United de ebo ni Rostum Gamale Sonogbe ene refia appointing obeko akwaku jam Legon City so no ebo Dreams FC a eno so Benjamin Kesefa ene bejamo ena Chelsea ni insu atreman game no pay friend Juanu no ene refia appointing obeko akwaku jam mediama ebo Sama Tese no so no Urwani Chema James Taylor ene refia obeko akwaku under that game no ena Pando Heart of France air transfer no mo ene Karela United so no edi aboni law nati ene refia obeko akwaku jam and a Real Tamale United so any Diana game no pay friend Robert Mosi ono na refia yet me appointing obekona wakwako jam na wabo ejuma na boa amane madeda dimpa no game ba ko etimi eko so e wotakwa na after the game no mun come no everywhere after the match no Kasi Mingle ye coach jam Edema Nations FC no come on say no bomb de che
technical man behind the team that making the difference. So I think as time goes on, most of them have only about 2-3 people who want to face the premiership. All the rest are new, their faces on the premiership. But as time goes on, they be first round. When they start taking their chances, I don't think anything can stand. They want to play occupy before the end of the season a respectable position.
Enti ano ye komo bo mo de etimi to dwa ne yirebo ma ne ma de da ye kama pre etimi yirebo ma mun komo no ano e de wa mana nso a osambo mo de ansemu yi e no kan san de so
behind the team, the technical man behind the team. I just need a lot more pitches in the country. So if you have set people behind the team, you should expect a position from them. Team Indiana, they are in Africa, they are doing well. But we people say, no, we dominated them all right. It means we are doing the preseason, we beat them 3-2 before they play the African game. We beat them 3-2, so no, we are not the bad side. But it's unfortunate we didn't take our chances. Football is about chances.
Etia no ye komo bobo de to dwa ni nyina bo amane ma da ye pere mom say football no chances so much chances by mo antique Prince Akwa ere bi anze mu ko izina mu gina for no so na mo ye selfish dodo chance bi by anke was na mo bo hye ni ade ade aba mantimi an convert ti udwane a game na Accra na Prince Akwa so ye player itimi Edema Nations FC say na Akwa so no di ne komo no share
but I must say, yeah, Baba points up because a position log and so and I say that in the determined pass a Baba for me, but unfortunately, implementing here chances and almost my own is a individual like decision making and of course, say you're working hard now individual, you can make it the right decision at the right time. Medium ammonia backside game no be at na top kakra e bia omo take your chance no mo to me share na football so ne hia wo mu no omo ye na yen take your chance e bia yen to me defend omo mu defend ye na omo nya wan
Tiano ye command former Krobia Commercia Santi Korokopando, Heart of Lions, Indiana Football Club, and Ujama, or Bujuma, a Timi Edema Tima, ye former nation says ye bomode, editu ya tu journey out Zampa, giving in a daswa, Hon 7 yard Ketua Krane Gima, na muefe ye papa, a found the pimps of the banner we are not chudi, a Romo Etimi Edia Mabobukwa, ye former nation says in Ra, and Pim da Kwa lady Seguso, e Boabo, e war pram, Nina Nese, enche near Bomodena de Champions League, you know, a man the third edition, a Roma Boman to another year pa, Etimiera Momanra, a mobile trophies, no more GG and the Omoje no Wafuno, a modi Romu call Ghana man Pinina say, His Excellency Nana Adodankwa William Akufuado, a presenter mo Pimpano, a Pimpano in Jomukwa, or Timi Emomo, 500,000 Ghana cedis so Monje, Arikusuno Mokwaku Romno, a Monconcotio mine Ghana Nimnambwa, Nanamanda di Imperfame and Anra, a friend in paying for no, na your Samuel Abuabri, na chese kata, Oro Nichimu Greater Accra region no, and an no oye Ari feature, Obomo di Romerema Efino, Eugene Nobosi Esco member, Olonso Ramna Honorable Evans Opoku Bobie, na jes Oro Nichimu ministry no, or Maswaya Deputy Sports Minister no, or Baba Beboama Nema de Yepa, 8 year Montia Mariano, Egusu Sio, Monema dead your first match in Biramo on the 6th November, or Mone ASFA, Anasi Pono Norwani Ichima defending champions no, Edibitimi Eddie Abweni, na Boamane dead the Edamo, if you Morocco after no, na 9th November, no John Manaso, any AS Amandi, or Monsono, if you more Mali Eddie Abweni, no final game no, Ebe Ramon the 12th November, or Mone Hurricanes, or Monsono, Ejamo, Edema, Equatoria Guinea, and a Betty Bobo and Intiesa Pepe, and a Muncomono, Esiatia, Yedi Eramuna Buana Nema Dedimpa, Etimi Eddie Ama, Uruanichema Ochna, Big Gamer, El Coso, Ewo Sunyane, Wambra Bofua Quatano, Ehusti, Accra Lions, no Shisheno, and before Chase Senate, 20 Ghana cities, 30 Ghana, and after 50 Ghana, not just no, a VIP wa, or more areas on Bebo Modeno, Mata Coso, Aye Jumana Macha, or more en Lusubino, Niama de Ye pray to me, Eddie Amon Mesaba, Nama Baba Betuasona, Buana Shisheno, Akuida Manamono Mame Abe, Zemenka and Fanchos and Ne, Uramona Suberna, Wabuana Nema de Diama Bitu, Abidon Kuto, and a Mameno Eddie Ejuma, and 2 years Susansia Mebabel Bobosoa, a Bay Heba Clinic, Kona Bekona, Waka Kojoa, Samamia B, Zene Oye Bema, Utedia Nusa, Ama girls in Champua, Niamanku Yaba, Obebuama Deno, Imoye Dupa, now we down our sweet Mira Bujmania Nonco, Unzi Indian prostitute Kese, Warren to Aramobia, the Bidabino, yet the Adibi ko Akakoto, Bemanimoa, M1 Monsono, Niamantimianku Infaman, to when your hobbies or Johnson Obre, Niaman Sharan the day Infama, Manambo to call, no brand what do Sudu so be a Shana, Yamanema de Dia, low spend count on Sono, or Bomo the 8 Messiano, Nina Zunia, Arian no one for matches and far Nansono, a baby and Fimo Yane had Jinguno, and a dunya, or when we eat me if you are Yanonco, or your bar now Sono, and if you are no Sebi Niaman Sharan Kuye, Amaya Babereno, Kwisiba no Qua, no Zaz and Confor El Gro at Pre Yana, and Krayi Crack, or Bebo Baby Rechiche, a Bea Cono Ayede, how be Obia, or if you are Bosume Subunsana, a country, Nina Monobena, Nabomodin, now with me Aswano, 8 me area man, a try bakwa, or the corner so a simple cry, or brain wab on the Galawi, now with John Nasona, Niamakuyi, come on, sono, 8 me Eddie Amana Fino, Circle Sounds and Sena Quadana. Yes, you need to be fumono, and Yano Crack, Yamina Mamia Biswa, or Baba Buara Baronsono, Etimi Inyan, Quantu Qua, Sickle cell test no ye, scan test no ye, Tanoso, Apatrapa new site or an Apatrapa Junction number in ye 0243 345 392 0243 345 392 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 number, Yajan, Nasona Nemanko Yepa, Entimi Emfa Emma Sompa, Sika Pro. promotion ye de aba beba for kra ye transfer wo main show no so a 9:30 to 12 no na ye ken da cho se fa unhwemu na nso twa na dikese pa na emwana ne mande da ye pa entimi emfa ma na munkomo no ene se de ho hyehye ni sitie no emu de papa na mame nchechu mu kakra ni na nzeze ne o momo wallet no na obo modern ero na wenye dumfie du nwotwe a o qualify ni na nza no pe bia onze ya transfer pe na wafafo no wabo star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash ebanesa urama yo sompa sunyane ewo sompa nkranza ewo sompa kumase na sompa kumase ne dikan na sunyane nkranza na toato aso antuyema de open wafa ba ku ye 5 Ghana cedi utwa no dodo no na udi na boama ne makoye pa etimi era mantu nya twanko a obedie no ye sompa sika promotion ye jedwa enelefo abomode de omo stamp na sisu se pan entudu nwushema enyeze ye ju sika di udi nko ade a ye bomode na usika no ewuram na aboana ne ma de da ye pa etimi ede ama na totoye no akọ kama pa etimi ede ama obo heba a medical research center semenka emfanchos ne eba na koma no nsensem no ene yare ne ha bia wechi omo ni abobode eyi omo asiwa ya jo omo tuma Ghana no ejuma no omo bono ya de ano edin ye papa na omo so shaze so onyan sunsanso we ya na wawuram omo aso ne ahwe ne abo ama ne ma koye pede ama wa ya na uti no pai wo ya bonso wakoma no ebo ntenten na afi mu jabro so edin wajimu wa na asa nansi acho nan no nsa obonzo wa ese wabre na oti ya bi ewo akoma no na afi bonzo ase wa wani su echi wo kakra wa bonzo okon no oboso no ya de ya na eyo ya ye papa me pacho oro nsa kakra untimi a no nsa akoma no ya kan ni na nsa akoma no ere bo modern pompi moja ne fa bibia ntie no ejina pe na wa unse onso no okọ kra chinti ne no hwe na tu anamo ebeboa na we jam na so na ne makoye pera manye no nko yeso maso no say hepatitis diabetes upeba unye bi nam ya yenso no edunya typhoid na ne hawo na wo kidney mu hawo na sepo no also edunya ne ya wa hodo na ni nyina be na nya boa na we jam na so pomo a oro ni chiemu ado ato eduru mu adumanu last stop no na chese ni omo ene sofumame e otondo krono no ni di nimre enti ramuni enko ne emboa na jam na so na ya ahankofo bibra eni asen abukrukra asen abufie enti omo bo ejuma no joda kokosi memenda na mre no omo di ejuma no pebia no so 7 o'clock km di kokoro amanyumre na onuma bo edi apan mu no 5:30 pm no mabo moden etimi apon etu betimi afom number no wo ha bia na oni o maka tichu no wakoma no wo ha kakra ho ane no eyobo Herbert Medical Research Center beboa na we jam na so number ni 0257 472 506 0257 472 506 na 0249 761 508 0249 761 508 enti romu na obo heba Medical Research Center ready ambo na gina na so na nema enkoye pen fama me na membo oboso etimi enfama dia akra to folk uramu maso ya ne amobo modi omo training no asan ewuramu ewo pobiman ni na so omo boabo omo na weekend no omo jomo na so na omo na bibia ni Go Stars etimi edi abo ni na munkomo no ena ese ne David upon afrane after so onye ni pra no wase ababa kinyo no nko ene Gideon Asante Dino enso ababa be join omo RS ene ma be dadi pe etimi ra omo ne the latest update no urama phobia house no bibia omobo modern etimi akrekra mama na kwakudu no enya de keto akra
That's a
your phobia now zampa latest update no baby do no ejuma na aka keto ebi na akọ etimi da pemtie no hard to fo common we ababa betu ya bibi ani go stars ne training no esan eto aso ewo maso ye owe de omo ye chezampa omani abriye papa omo ye so many atifo game no ne ama be dadin pe da na mun komo no eni rum ne ni Ronald Frimpong rebi atwam no obejuma etimi de ma Real Tamale United na ne waramu na dedike biza na ze na omu from RTU aba be ram bi ani go stars no de na obekend afa move no komo no say no de jai
a very very good switch mechanic say ya be hia ne sa o sha RTU na ye bo ho ma yenso yen tintim ho na life no so those service bio ye bokọ enima na say to the bia we free baby no akoba bi minti no na senka e bia last season na say last 2 seasons kwa na say we come join me go stars but na me share me destiny say this season I say me joining team na me joining and be now to say bibia da na kwa mu ne sa
Etia no ye command ne obo de etimi ere agya ne nyina bo mane ma dad na after no ye say o ye ringi bia ho ha bo no zu nimbo edi etete say na nka ha to folk ne krobia akra no mu nya say braba be join o na sa move na mba ma fama ne wora mu go stars a mo baro body tia to folk no de no be ka na uni azem no kenem say ano edin kakra na sei e no obo de etimi ere agya
because of someone I have an opportunity, but me mostly no I na me share current players go stars me feeling more relaxed, me feeling more motivated because wow your squad and you're very very top I say yeah consistency and I say yeah a season Kotokoni has no place no community form compare maybe any go stars place no foul player to player o de nya mutsa no what no player to player no position to position o share first 11 and also no what's up reserve no should be baby any go stars very very top top
Etia no ye command abo mo de atu ya che zo hwe mo players na esi aka na de mo compare heart to fog ne kotokwa unso mo no top cry no ye nkoma Ronald Frimpong abo mo de ne edia ni na abo ama na ma da de da mo na game no mo enkomo no sele ne mesiti no hihia bia ni go stars aye ni ezi gate fee no ne ma de da na kwama bibia eko kama pa etimi ere mo 30 Ghana city popular stand VIP enso no eye 50 Ghana dabi eno ye nhihia ya 60 Ghana mom nhihia o mo aya ni nyina ebo amane ma de da dimpa etimi edi amom ntie za pepe eni si etie popular stand 30 Ghana VIP 60 Ghana ntinyambo Saturday mo amobeko akwa game no eno ye ntutu ya na bibia ni go stars omode aba betu ebo amane makoye pa etimi edi ema mamenko na Michael komia apostle wa meni omo entimi anto aso ya komia akwa bana bia boko de
mejo so menwa
zesem de watie dodo na from ashase na ye de awie ni aya menim bebia wo de mefa
house of folk supporters ni so mu lusu bia no makofa secretariat abetoso
sa no mo supporters ne kan lo mu lusu bia no ma
mu lusu bia lo makofa secretariat video abeto
oh okay
ala results go ya lo makota wa abeto
bazo mu lusu ye
so bobo results na akoyi
di anko ya no mo de aba
say anko ya say lusu di draw la lo de abeto
oh okay
don't be really no the players the coaches na abeto
Sompa Sports
just
mu lusu di ano makofa we na ba
yes but you see I understand this even if so the BBR toncha PR they are a very massive power how to control the expectations of fans and at times uplift their mood whenever they are down in a positive instance if they should be posting these things for you to see at worst results and koyi wabo draw there but it will lift your mood a little bit I'm when you say hey me club you club baby o my babu I didn't need 3 years or 4 years I don't know my pages was ano and abu it is not something small me personally me who say clubs say bia na is many aged dia momo Togbe is doing a very good job and abu for a club to have such a level of secretariat they are ready for good deals they are ready for top business deals they are ready for good sponsors and abu obi uni obi ba sign deal la you see na apostle chairman that is real inside I say it will be a share the behind dress now the kushi any pa
Sompa Sports
open contract that help you be free the pa
I no crepa
how you dress in the hour approach the pa the so imagine say obi no be sign a sponsorship deal and onu be do home komo oba na de na wura dem e dan moko na table bi na esi ho na penda so na trophies go akire
Okay, I call you Papa be anywhere.
So here, okay, house of folk next level contract of course. So okay, say table below we could when you say picture I will pay for my table below picture on the trophies be. But imagine you have a new sponsor coming. Waba will run such a building mo. We share receptionist. Wafa left kakra. And maybe our far staircase. Nice one. We run a nice conference room. Your nice executive room. Martina say kon e boni who wa find a coffee. Onom kakra on the dingo. Abu. Scandinavian cafe say 3 billion contracted. We go 45. Because the person knows the level of investment you are doing in your club and what you want to do. And they're very key. And even if it's a car from Penny for bar, you are going to play will be because elderly, me a big person to house folk player. Maybe a be share, maybe a be meeting, you got my player. Your players in the town, they are my bonny, air for maybe need become.
It's me, Shiawa, park and as well.
Sompa Sports.
I don't know what we are desperate for. We are desperate.
Yes,
yes.
Yeah, ma be $50,000 visa Jenna Fako paid and be
Nah, make I say Tamana KJT are very vibrant. And yes, I'm a new KJT no. Old KJT na operias book bia obeye bi obu tretete by train. O man no mutaya za na party good. E dane juice kan bebre na no mo she suit. Ni suitcase. O sha o hon no wadi nkomo fine. Wadri nyina be kom no bi so achiro kakra. Obi suitcase uni se good na abeje. O do fun nyina be ma no. We will do show be san ho na esama na abo na de ama. Now so it is very good that House of Folk is giving themselves the particular level of mileage or appearance with this particular level of secretariat or more. I mean, commend it to be afede. This is massive. Results are not coming. Excuses are becoming too much. But Mijitu say on the other side, Abu, rebuilding. Adiefa kasefe. Esaso okwan.
Yes.
Anaju be dunia asaso so light na House of Folk no mu wi omu de bibia asa boso nde boso House of Folk secretariat. My oh my.
Phobia house.
Awu. Is a players contract no won sign the devil. Oba. O medicals na baby abaye no masa opubi my wo ho. Abu, this is a different level of House of Folk in terms of infrastructures that I'm seeing. Massive. I'm say land in the water could judge no me develop bi so aka ho. So we develop bi kan no mo ankasa site me nyom bi a pobi mine. Omo nye bi a be 10,000 and 15,000 stadium capacity Abu. House of Folk men can say be 70% gone.
Yes.
To 80%.
But also, Boame Kakra, last time no car for ni invite you. Omo didi nkomo bi say won. Because after no to go buy and I come here meaning say one notice say na. As of buy no na ni wo project bi say ho na ni wo academy no na wa force anya mass team no. Omo ko omo di nkomo bi say won.
The issue about from this year. Clubs on more African continent also compete in the CAF Champions League and the Confederation guys on your mark club no started from that meeting.
Oh, okay.
So the discussion started that at best see near CAF here and somehow FM you know by some FM you know mo make sure say obia o person bomb competition you know once a party mo chepe name ma body
New agro
ono na sebi ma CAF champion ono na dey buy ono na seed money initially and all the my share so that was the reason. And then after aside that Ukoshia a lot of other top club owners, club CEOs, top club Ali with the Zamalek when and clearly Komodemo to Wakechi Bruta Odias here. Talk by he was talking about the fact that you want to build a new house of folk like Ali Dinka and Komodi Ushia and Crawford teams are more Pennyfono Omutima Bobra so you wedding kobo no one says Sena Odiagro so naturally Oba, so and has want to go to Africa. You want to go, you don't say has one my team. Want to go to Africa. Once a medium because initially they did not have that. I know almost I are forced to then now co-opt a bad team because some person qualified to recruit the way they've done. So that is it. But just to add to Nakomia kind of Bepia building one. I had almost opposite trust towers. In fact, one of the and cry baby pa a very very central pie because I want to circle just a stone throw.
As a CA pa.
I see more than a year pa.
Oh, okay.
And Hano me sure said there will be offices for rental. Now Hano good for banks because opposite there are banks opposite. Mimbo Bank be the man, but there are banks. There are two major banks for Ghana opposite, just direct opposite. What is here? And Hano so Hano ni Accra Central and what Hano ni baby a Tigo head office one wa. What is here? Any parliament and what? Easy access to Central Accra.
As a baby a senior point pa
location no and Hono so upe bua benya boy didimu pa Hano also rent store mobia. Rent store less than 10,000 Ghana cedis a month. Yeah. It leads you direct. Say Ahano, it leads you to Accra Central. How lead you to second? I mean, that is why. To who stores bear 10, I bet him they are G. Say a good office space. I bet him they are G banks and even telecos.
With him they are G.
Yes. And as soon, and me assure the office do be warm. Come. A location also yeah good. Or more car park. Now across it, the only problem when you say I can't so can park or car, but at this space on one or more year power, bet me a lot of car parks. Obanya car parks or because even car parks, on bet me in a family road here. Yes, Accra is down Accra Central will be I want underground here, even though the space is small.
Yes.
Was the met me so I know aside say o brandy club no, o peja club no image ye. I like na kumia kan about the fact say sebi obi kran no be di edwa sebi o first no say 2 cedi and there sebi unra edan wo na my more example Sompa obe won ba sebi on shed and dress here about or a virgin bonim but packaging no ni all packaging no be kwakọ seska because sebi ni hu for shentare enye fenti una obe unfin cross on kan but packaging no obe tua unu be call lunch ni ma obe wie kwa no number 1000 unya match nko nya farmer sa na tie with this with business image and impression business mo biaza sebe Nigeria for no mo kromo yazan pa obekwa kofa Mercedes Benz arenti a suit ni briefcase tie obebono abu obasa okra $2 million for 3 months but me bana me sheshe ne maybe I was akwebu me mo na me criminal no so very good for us in terms of business because me I make sure more at the end of the football club we have proper business but me take care of players and technical team I have facilities then also the issue of infrastructure this is solid for us folk the way we commercializing a year has almost uses space can create for secretary man secretary then first can be amba small space for secretary don't renting most of the offices because they say almost share that need guarantee sponsorship at PBR
yes
and they say we no I buy cash cow because of location Nyanyan Krofa for beautiful girls are almost heavy bear 3 on bet office space one time on bet my companies one time for you yes and get them more budget and then guys will listen in 3 months get me top companies to occupy this is how they're reading it say I said this can do fine fair enough and get this running as a commercial entity I bet generate scam across of I bet start I deal with has expenditure so a good thing look forget about the fact that on the pitch and Kuyinika we are monumental we are huge now we expect on the visitors are not going to go take it or leave it has a taking better lead when it comes to infrastructure now than Kotoko that is where a fact we want to be facing them boy they can even construct a hotel there because assassination yes and as I say an Accra movie from a whole from Accra to those areas yes so and rented up that area Nankasano from Pokasi Bano that's from Accra Bekumasia look a area be a nipa doors residential apartment 2 bedroom man or be a 2 bedroom apartment single room self-contained apartment I'm telling you it will go for hot cake
yes
man and they can build 5,000 yes because land also they only maximize it and I said you have 4 or 5 story or small space or another one
For the new Pokwasi interchange number movement.
Yes. So you make a lot of money with that plus way. And it's a sponsorship because of the way your league now because structure no and the narrative about your league no kasa your league no any sebi to trust them cost what time in other venues any young kasa share and say ko referees man say no mass sponsor and interested and na kodo so baba sponsor at least who guarantee source of revenue sponsor boss sponsor nyamba you who be a free bar club no be run and who here say o twa talk be say or two kwan or first gamba ko we mu di sika ba offices no sika ba adan awasi every ene baby omo any location betimi dey agi loan ama banks are doing it banks here betimi dey agi loan credit see 1,000 yes now where would you go agi loan is simple bank no crap pentem the amount because now where the ordinances was what mean went here what mean and I talk me nankasa because sebi we nipa true, easy for him to access loan through SA. And I want to say Strategic African Security a consultancy firm as well. And we are advisory, good advice to a lot of companies in Ghana. So there's everything for us to be successful financially. Now I'm translating to the playing body. So there's here. So for me, I think that look, all my idea and forget about it. If you're a Kotoko management member, so you're worried, and then some will take a step because has take lead. I feel they do webinar infrastructure no move your own. Now then the concentration will come on the playing body on assemble. Aha, because you see I know when your muda dream you
divided attention be
when your muda dream you aha that you know now where this kind of bar now feel one team like
have more de I am the other issue there. I've report on common our dinner opposed to me uncle.
Frimpong normally has to folk Canadian very like I say very crucial. I can't be about how money has to folk game no, but baby any go stars and Casano or more players and then a home performance and a boy bra.
Yeah,
a boy bra.
But as I'm not can only
say they.
So more honor for player to player to compare. Yeah, has an a Kotoko Momo Bronze.
Baby, the whole city of confidence say player for player this position
here.
Baby only go stars goalkeeper
I will say
right back
Adraman dear about Adraman name is over back a crowd on near Ampadu
I was through Cratcher at Japan.
I went here.
That's the point.
And
so he has every right. You have every right to make that comparison. Yes. I'm Peru. They also
or say goalkeeper no. Anna Danlad.
No.
Freddy Kasari.
I any consistent. Consistent. So on that score, almost. Yes.
The left back or die.
He will not die. Our own is all see one player Apostle. Or die no.
Onye because onye flamboyant and any share in the super. But on board on
and he has been one of their best players this season.
Now more cause I know share anya this.
As I now the cause are to chair Lalabe.
Maza. So a young player and Kolokono Suchen it will take time for him. I love you. I can't let me ask about
left backs about crew. Last year, no say Charles
on the intercenter line.
Now, because I done for Moon Teleku.
Sebos, you good by
he's on the same Praga or solid. Or solid.
I know 4 and 5.
Amufa. Samuel Amufane,
but Farouk
Costa.
And more House of Fuka Besimano.
But the problem is that Besimani or say they are not consistent. They are not delivering any exceptional football.
And boss, the one
that's the problem. They are not developing.
Once the House of Folk are not scoring enough, but almost don't consider. But go start at home and play more compact. You understand me? Yes. What's the name of the boy? Is it Farouk?
Farouk Adams and Amufa.
No, Amufa.
Amufa.
Yeah,
Samuel Amufa.
he's more experienced.
Yeah.
If Farouk shows leadership.
Yeah.
Farouk or show and Farouk you're calm and is solid. So board Farouk the tie. Farouk was through chain both defenders or more.
Farouk.
Yes.
Or through chain.
Farouk is there.
Kotokone has both center backs in your hands. Farouk was through
is there.
chain. So now because baby fa baby no.
But it looks like a yellow crew. Because that's
Yeah. It's true.
Ampadu is the only standout.
Ampadu did the already born who say Unimbo.
Ampadu the only standout.
Ampadu
Too much.
Ampadu was through.
Because Farouk
Also right back
Farouk
in your Ghana. Or was through.
Farouk Kuta. Ana de na Nuruddin ye no. Nuruddin ye good, but Nuruddin ne empim.
Nuruddin too ragged.
Yeah.
Too ragged.
It you come midfield no so before so mo ho. Sadat.
Ai Banahene. Hey, Apostle.
No,
Ana Pia Makati.
Ba mo me funa no hye check any as
me funa no hye pa.
Oh, no to a large extent yes.
Because Sadat always Banahene. Ana Pia Makati.
Yes.
Ode Sadat cry look Banahini and Apia Makati, Jesus Christ. On any day, they walk into Kotoko and start. They walk into Hazard and start.
Yes.
These are players that walk into cross and card. We say, "Oh, more starting your more bench." Bench Zubenya Mauliwayo,
who is a good player.
Yeah. And Han on from Pono, Abba, and I say him Charles Kamara Jemfi. Also one player was Ghana Pie and Wabona. But bad.
The
Prince Owusu was a target for Kotoko.
Now Prince Owusu, but his attitude is what he has to change. But Unim, no crying say the players are go stars one and you won't born no more born.
I didn't say no.
And you won't born no more.
Top.
And you won't born no more born.
A Premier League winning kind.
Oh, and you won't born no more born.
Sports. And you won't born cry.
Almost some be born born pa. Must be hard.
I know bedding. Zana nimu ono so akunya apamune ai Prince Owusu. And one fine player so mo fan if you also buy obo pie ai Alisaso.
Alisaso Legon City. Yeah. A good player. A good player pa. A good player.
On any day.
He can play as an about 10 can play as a left, can play as a second striker.
Sadat. Ombe konka omunu hia
no
omu
level. This is omochiwa. Send am train no near so. Maza as good omochiwa. Ombe do one grammar who be mobo. Onye bimbo we mo.
Afan say Sadat le so.
Yes, fantastic.
Afan say Sadat.
And Sadat is a good Sadat. I think that the issue about the movement but Onyan really form. Sadat bikini for because Sadat he was really controlling. Says Sadat take it or settle into the team. Ombe pa.
Banahene. Rolandia. As I say, Kumasi for boys in the moment. Banahene ne Makati nye problem. It is that will have to take time.
With time.
Sanafa. Now, that Roland name no kra no nyanya ni day. Ono ko nusu nyanse te.
No nyanse te le. Roland.
So settle won 10 one so.
Time be our bob share.
This is one particular team I felt say and yes say abed 2 kwan.
Oh yes.
Yes a abed 2 kwan. Na abed dey bad this season ni mo no. Abu. Kemi senka abed dey ba.
We na dey see fi car so onko ye ne sin.
Onko ye ne sin dey.
Na bambu ye say Ghana ball dey.
But Michael says when team of team we say and but top 4.
Even a top 4.
And some far more at
a lot of
semi-final of the FA Cup.
At least there is a lot of questions about the
semi-final of the FA Cup.
Of course, there is a question about the
legitimate consensus.
You can't have such players and not make good use of them, and especially when most of them are experienced players from the Premier League. Who's here? Your team Akofa, Ebia, most of them, Afena, almost tasty. Or he was talking about Nana Benyi. I mean, young player, Afena or mistakes. So there's it. But in your case, listen, these are players that last season boy and almost also Premier League experience. So you only excuse as a coach not to deliver with them. This is a team you've been with. And you have Kasim Mingo. You have been with this team.
Yeah.
And so you should by now I saw team who team then so and into 2 years I saw here to get the result. Get the best. Yeah, so he has no option.
Our team no na Madrid Roma who pa team to.
No, so
yes, final of the FA Cup. We had Dreams FC team on the board the final. if they should get good results.
But this team is better than all the two.
No man to me and what
Now dreams team
of the FA Cup.
Dreams team even from the qualifier competition. This team is better than the team.
Yeah, team were solid team.
So if you are
we don't consider my good or my
yeah, so now it's up to Michael and Tenga team to do a job. No excuses. Get a job done. Munja Kasano baby no. Send me to Abufu wenti na down for no. And I'm saying I got train for you. Jumananya Kasao is making sure that the players here they more get the best out of them. Ma Kolano Bobo no ma unsanya hu sano trubibi a certain pattern of play. Here who say players no buy as a coach no. What adi bibi strong kunti omo park no so they are better off than when they came. And then also what shro mo ekwan first some faso to name park no so. So even they be na ball na result na ko yikra. Support and nubeji because omo who science omo improvement be a edi GD beba se dachi ombetimi aye juma no ene de anko ye football. But to say through cancer, they be a through now kasa ebedu baby no ye be you wedi because sabi o kasa no results nko ye no some cancer o pay zuma enfama soje dance and coach so there ni entire for a result master jai kasa a result na
afibia so example you season na utibi ko
to ball no dey on him but super
ball only boat for why
what's it there what's it why
the ball boat for why
Jesus Christ masa jai anya Steven Odro mu level no
coach
Mickey top player and he's had good training Germany when it comes to coaching very one of the finest coaches Omanya have a lot of training over Germany or no yes say he played in Germany so they are saying he also had good training in Germany so Onya Mickey he's good but Onjai nice no. Kobiani Go Stars one of the things that arise their own players no trimude ya hamo. You need to be tough. Yeah, players you don't do that. And so Tremani has Koboy. Sadat. Unse Salif Ibrahim Sadat ko born butu no bi anka so nya second yellow. And I feel now man. On Philip so red card on ya. Bia pay how free move fan simple. Who say and who says what the man discipline and I am Mohammed Kramas with me more on it Nkola Koye training. Yeah, Mohammed and I'm this. That is what you do to players because you must discipline them. Because you're going to cost him no. So it must also cost you something. The next time since I see the no performance no.
I was sure ba things on your barber shop.
Yeah, 500 Ghana free pay more.
I mean the weekend you know mukulus.
What's it then?
Weekend you know.
Munya careful.
Weekend you mo
Prekum munya careful. Me see one performance at home. Munya careful. Maza, munya careful.
I was
munya careful because me say ya fefe che hu onu aboni nyina but munya careful. We.
Match ya boy ya bolu bi ku be for pa ba ku di.
You yate.
Eje hu ba akokra.
So nim nipa akoti.
O say
say enya last ni we you.
O pacho o kai Arsenal na bi match bia. Arsenal for like riba refi lo. Omo huru ra lo say ade be ti happen say so we yakuboro free park.
Park no so. Enti no.
Ele ka say coach should do red card by the
oh nti say na body bani. Okay, this is na body bani.
Go forward you over say.
Onim ne see what. Onim ne see what dreams. Yeah, boy extra 50 minutes. Still 1-1 now. Yeah, I fed the counter attack by every point.
But pon na pon.
You
and
yeah, that's went through. Yeah.
Oh, mama, I come here. Teams, you know, me last time I care about say Ghana. Sompa teams ni bi di omo ho no mu skapa. Omo G league ne fala.
Oh yes.
And what it seems that teams in Ketua no mum no. Quality players.
Yes, yeah.
But the Dreams have realized that. And seeing Dreams JFA Cup.
Yeah.
When he said, "Oh, you on your kakra bi na
of course, so let me Ghana
league. No, they here say, "Obe kobi abe 5 to 6 games." Unbeaten.
Yes, and
5 to 6 building points 6 now. 3 away, 3 home no. 3 points.
Ghana league.
1 draw, 1 win home ni na.
Or any 3 matches away for us so I Ghana.
Oh, yes, where we.
Oh, I said last time na.
Where we
cry. Say ala kotokole has that year. And I catch us all them akotoko mo be 3 matches bi nya draw back bi win me. Ubo ba bi oba.
And I ask you look, and yet the game against 11 Wonders. Any bitch him.
ɛno na di ɔmo jiri
those controversial controversial penalty so they all can no unya 3 away wins are massa udem and make sure so home points to the 3 points
straight
and utine 10 now
or a league you know where teams get to ano ani omo coach
omo team no chankesi for
big ones no oze bi ne eke is that abeni aba fresh afi no
no yo munja ya coaches no omo nye we no munja so omo lobby mo omo kototo players bi no apostle enu na eku omo no e boy player bu ona come out on the player we are the ban standard no oba ade na nya den e fa ba cho down so ye ah so ana baba iti aja ko bia enye easy so but we ti say suatreman say recruitment no mo ye no clearly man uze coach ni nim di oba be
so no go for say bunso a o go for Manaf. I mean look at how Manaf is delivering what they say Sir Collins Kujo Kotogura's strike African or settle
that guy was
and now he's working as a team player more so they say and Rahman Raman Obakotoko so I come back. So on the shares can go cry omuni Lagos citizens. So and just few inclusions. The majority of the players there, that's it. The work is being done.
There are certain positions you need experienced players when it comes to the Ghana Premier League.
That's what you do.
It's in some of the signings and people will have issues with it. One, your striking department.
Okay, very key.
Someone and will be a Ben
or experience in the league. Or energy. Fantastic. Now, Jonathan is the best signing in the strike when it comes to Ghana. Now, the experience or there's will be a
experience in the league. I'm not doing well, but our experience at least at a top level league.
Yeah.
Our deba. No one fullbacks. She'll be a fullbacks. No more no compete.
That's why Team Kitwano fullbacks. I'm hungry.
Show me fullbacks. I'm going to go. You come on a 4 and 5 unya boa 2 and 3 much pass na 7-11 na inverted 2 and 3 cross so your league is na ball na atie na basa. So if you don't have such players at that level
wasubeshi
Mate about na they appear mo aye no kakakre na
look laudable. Listen, laudable, and once again let me give it to him. That's what a mark of a leader is. Louis some Kesia to Ghana mine. So they say some Kesia pa. Now as a captain of the former captain of the Black Star, as Obia Ghana for looking up to him. As you know, mean kakra me boba nkofan kakra it betimi dia koboano or the koboy. It's laudable. When you expect your legends to be doing. So they say, when you expect your legends to be doing. And it's something that we should encourage. Other legends also should learn to do that. Very important. So they say, I will not be intimidated by anything until the work will continue. So like me, Kano, you've been making sure, you've been encouraging other ones. Me expect to see Bia Samitu Gamo to also go and help. At least a very devastating incident. Baby Uncle died, you're not coming to you.
And the way they are hope.
Oh, they say. By politicians, they are moving around. So they say, we wish him all the best to continue. They're all gonna play anywhere. Ghana have insurance by the whole choco. He did it for every household. That's him. So once again, by any nature, son not here. So kudos to El Capitano.
Mate, I was on Cherisha. Why? Senior uncle. Why now? David Bibiansi. Oh, say a chenem reno crab bibri. Enti ma yenyana yenko na de akibia to aso. Dear Amasocha, ever say she had de akibia to aso.